Hey everyone, in this video I will show how to make a portable mini extension cord at your home with some easily available tools and materials. It is very much needed when our main board is far away from our working station, or it is pretty handy for working situations like if you are using Dremel or your engraving tools and other stuffs like drill press, and it is pretty handy and portable. Also, it is useful to charge your mobile when you are sleeping in your bed and your main board is far away. Working with your stuff's working station is far away from your main board. So this is the back side of our board. Here you can see the wiring connections. There are two wires, red and green, coming from the outlet. The green wire is the phase wire, which will go pass through the switch and go to the 2 pins, and the red wire is the line wire, which will directly go to the other 2 pins, and the middle pin is for earthing. In my case I do not need it. If you need earthing pin, you can add a third wire to it. So that's it, our connections. So we will build it now. And also, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified about new upcoming videos. So for the making, we will use some MDF board and we will cut them in the following size and shapes as shown here. So we have our cut pieces now. We will also need a 5-pin female connector and a small on-off switch, as you can see. So this is the top part. So push the female plug tightly and secure it with nuts and bolts here. Also push the on-off switch here and fit it tightly. So here we will need 2 wires. In my case I used some green and blue wires and cutted them according to the length. So the green wire will be the phase wire, which will pass through our switch, and the red wire is the line wire, which will directly go to the 2 pins. And I have used another small strip of wire. It will directly go from the switch to the other 2 pins. So this is a simple connection. Also I added a separator here so that our wire does not touch the pins. Now I will attach the board piece with the help of super glue. Attach all the pieces using more super glue here. Hold it for some time to fix it. Here I will use tire tubes to make some grips for our cord. Also super glue the pieces at the bottom. It will give you a nice grip. Here I am using some wood primer. This is white wood primer. After drying it, I will use some silver color, so it will give a nice finish to our cord. So after drying, I will remove my paper tapes, and it is finally painted in silver color and it looks good, I think so. Now take a male connector for the other end of our wires. Hence our cord is now ready. As you can see, it is very mini in size, portable, and also looking very good and functional. So we will test it now. I am using my soldering iron to test it now, and you can see it is glowing now, the light. That means it's working. So it's pretty handy for your working station. So thank you friends. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and share with your friends, and also subscribe to the channel if you are new here, and press the bell icon so that you will get notified about new upcoming videos. Thank you.